Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Gardening and More. Check out the 5 best essential oils for gardening and how to use them. Besides many uses in the health and beauty sector, essential oils are used in gardens to prevent harmful pests and diseases, and much more. Let's have a look at it. On position 5 is rosemary essential oils. Rosemary is among the most essential oils for gardening and boasts a delightful woody scent, and serves as a powerhouse option for pest control in the garden. Its potent aroma acts as a natural repellent against a range of pests, including aphids, cabbage butterflies, flea beetles, and ants. Moreover, rosemary essential oil works wonders as an essential oil tea for plants like cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower, effectively protecting them from pesky insects that love to chew up foliage. To create this botanical defense, mix a few drops of rosemary essential oil in a pot or spray bottle, and apply it around the plants to keep the bugs at bay. It is also one of the best essential oils good for plants. Rosemary essential oil also helps in preventing fungal infections in plants. When used as an essential oil tea, it can discourage the growth of fungal pathogens, promoting healthier and disease-resistant growth. On position 4 is peppermint essential oil. With its invigorating and sweet fragrance, peppermint essential oil is a formidable essential oil spray for garden pests. This natural deterrent effectively keeps flies, aphids, spiders, cutworms, slugs, and beetles at a distance. Additionally, peppermint essential oil proves to be an excellent solution for deterring larger pests like mice, squirrels, and moles. To harness its potency, soak a cotton ball with a few drops of peppermint oil and strategically place it in affected areas or near mole tunnels, ensuring an environment that pests will find unappealing and unpleasant. Replace the cotton ball every few days or when the scent starts to fade to maintain effectiveness. On position 3 is melaleuca essential oil. Melaleuca, one of the best essential oils for gardening, offers a potent solution for combating fungal infections that may afflict your beloved garden plants. To create a natural antifungal spray, combine 1 part melaleuca essential oil with 4 parts water and carefully mist the plants and soil. Due to its strong properties, it is essential to apply this spray only to the plant stems, avoiding contact with leaves to prevent potential sunburn. By harnessing the natural power of melaleuca essential oil, you can effectively protect your garden from fungal threats and foster healthier, disease-resistant plants. On position 2 is cinnamon essential oil. The invigorating aroma of cinnamon essential oil not only delights the senses but also serves as a potent deterrent against weeds and pests in the garden. Wondering what essential oils keep gnats away? This natural solution effectively repels ants, snails, gnats, and other troublesome pests, while also contributing to the prevention of fungal infections. To create an effective spray of one of the most essential oils for gardening, mix 10 to 15 drops of cinnamon essential oil with water, providing you with a powerful defense against unwanted invaders. With cinnamon essential oil in your gardening arsenal, maintaining a pristine and pest-free garden becomes an achievable reality. On position 1 is lavender essential oil. Never leave lavender out when talking about essential oils for garden. Lavender essential oil is a true garden gem, possessing dual benefits as a potent pest repellent and a delightful attractant for essential pollinators such as bees and butterflies. These are cherished as the best essential oils for pest control on plants. To harness its pest-repelling prowess, place a few drops of lavender essential oil on a cotton ball and position it near the pots or vulnerable plants, creating a protective barrier against unwanted visitors. Additionally, you can prepare a simple spray solution by mixing water with lavender oil and misting the affected areas, offering a natural yet effective way to keep pests at bay. Furthermore, by attracting beneficial pollinators, lavender essential oil contributes to a flourishing garden ecosystem, enhancing pollination and supporting plant growth. Happy gardening!